Taking your vehicle to a big-name chain service provider can be expensive and irritating. Whether you need brake repair, an oil change, or a tune-up. When you bring your vehicle to Jack Taylor's Alexandria Toyota, you'll receive prompt, courteous service from a staff dedicated to quality for our customers in the products and services we provide. Visit us at www.alexandriatoyota.com to print out money-saving service coupons. Take advantage of our internet specials and start saving now. Read about our award-winning service department. And when you use a certified dealer service station, you get the best trade-in price for that vehicle. Call, click, or come in for more information. Jack Taylor's Alexandria Toyota is located at 3750 Jefferson Davis Highway in Alexandria, Virginia.